iPhone X is a smartphone eagerly awaited by iPhone lovers, therefore a new and most special iPhone ever. Of course, make Apple pin many new features in this latest X iPhone. What kind of features iPhone X and also the advantages of the iPhone X compared with the previous iPhone. There are at least 8 new features in the iPhone X which can be the main advantage Apple smartphone. The new device of course comes with a superior processor as well. This time, Apple pinned the A11 Bionic as a new processor for iPhone X. The same processor is also used in the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus. Here are 8 features and new features of iPhone X. 1. New design. Design iPhone X is arguably very radical and different from the previous iPhone. Apple is completely out of the tradition of iPhone design. The most obvious is there is no home button. Due to different designs, you also have to customize different UX or user experience. For example, to access the start screen or switch between applications that use the home button, of course will not be as it once was. 2. Super Retina display. iPhone X screen is arguably the best screen of all the iPhone ever. With a very large screen, 5.8-inch, iPhone X has a high-quality screen. This screen is claimed to be very accurate when it comes to dealing with color. In addition, high resolution and sharpness also makes everything that is displayed will feel very soft and sharp. 3. OLED display screen. Unlike traditional OLED technologies that are weak in some sectors, such as sharpness and brightness, Apple claims OLED technology inside the iPhone X is much better than traditional OLEDs. This is because in addition to carrying the same OLED technology with OLED screens in general, Apple also pinned Super Retina display technology, which we discussed earlier, so that all the weaknesses of traditional OLED technology can be covered properly. 4. True Depth camera. The iPhone X front camera carries a new technology called True Depth. This technology allows the camera to be able to measure the depth of the image by knowing the distance of each object with the camera lens. Because there is a difference in distance in each object with the lens, the iPhone camera can produce blur or bokeh effects as well as DSLR cameras in general. So, the results of the camera will not be monotonous, that's all. 5. Face ID. Another technology that utilizes the presence of a front camera is Face ID. The Face ID feature allows you to unlock iPhone and other authentication by using faces. Face ID function is very similar to Touch ID, which is as an authentication tool using biometric data. The only difference is Face ID using face, while Touch ID uses fingerprint. 6. Animoji. Bored with the same emoji? Apple successfully developed Animoji technology that makes animations from some emoji that